Hello Slaters, welcome back to second day of Hall. Children, what do you think it means to be healthy? Lots of different things affect how healthy we are, including what we eat and how active we are. We know that all living beings need food to stay alive. Just like vehicles need fuel to run, we human beings need food to play, grow, and work. Children, by now you must have understood that today, as a part of Hall, we are going to learn about healthy food, healthy life. Slaters, we all know that we need variety of food to keep ourselves healthy. Eating just chocolates or eating just vegetables is not the right way of eating healthy. Our body needs different variety of food to keep us healthy. Variety of food means food which have vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats, carbohydrates, etc. We get these from different kinds of food. Drinking water is another important part of being healthy. Children, you should drink minimum 10 to 12 glasses of water a day. Drinking plenty of water keeps your body clean. It keeps you hydrated. You should always sit and drink water. Children, as you all know the importance of healthy food and ill effects of junk food, let's quickly watch a small video on which food gives us which type of nutrition.
We can divide food in 5 types.
I can see bread in first one.
Yeah, these are made of cereals. These are called carbohydrates.
In second, it is butter. Yummy.
Yes, these are fats. Now comes fish and milk. These contain proteins.
Here are fruits. Mummy always wants me to eat these.
Yes, these are vitamins and minerals.
Oh, there is water also.
Like car needs petrol to run, our body also needs energy to work. This energy comes from carbohydrates. They also gives us instant energy. Fats also gives energy, but they give energy very slowly. Body keeps them in store, and if you don't get carbohydrates on time, body uses them. Like mama keeps some extra chocolates away at home, body also keeps some extra energy in store. Here are proteins. These help you to grow. You know, body keeps building new cells. These proteins help to build and repair cells.
Why this person looks sick?
There are few nutrients which keep our body healthy and they fight diseases. These are called vitamins and minerals.
This is water.
Yeah, this is very important. You know, half of our weight is water in our body.
Oh, I am of 30 kg. That means there is 15 kgs of water in my body.
Yes, it helps to keep our body clean and helps in digesting our food.
So Slaters, I hope you all are having healthy meals which include various nutrients. Children, today let's learn about some of the food habits of our elders in the olden days and how it helped them be fit. Early morning breakfast. In olden days, people believed having early breakfast helped them stay active throughout the day and gave energy to work. Sitting on the floor while eating. In an age when there were no dining tables, Everyone sat on floor while having food and which helped them stay away from various lifestyle diseases. Not talking while eating. Most of us have grown up hearing that talking while eating is a bad manner. The main reason behind it was the fear of gulping food without chewing. Cooking in earthen utensils. Our elders have cooked food in earthenware because they did not know about plastic, steel, and aluminium. Early dinner. In olden days, it was taken late in the afternoon or when the sun started going down. The simple reason behind this healthy practice is that the earlier you have your food, the more time the body has to digest it before it goes to the rest during sleep. It also affects our sleep. Eating food with hands. Eating with hands is extremely healthy. It is also said that food tastes better when eaten with hands. In olden days, most of the sweets used to be made of jaggery or honey instead of sugar. People had ghee instead of oil and butter. Our elders ate lots of local and seasonal food items. Anything that is not local or seasonal is not going to be fresh. Our elders used brown rice. Millets were used in place of rice and wheat. Similarly, instead of whole wheat flour, today we have only white maida, which is not good for our health. Every curry they prepared contained a pinch of turmeric. It was considered best medicine for any health problems. Most of the food also contained ginger and garlic. Both are natural medicinal ingredients. So Slaters, these are the few habits which kept our elders healthy and fit. You can also follow these simple habits and can see the change. Slaters, along with eating healthy food, we must also know healthy eating habits. So, let's see a small video on healthy eating habits. We should eat fresh, clean food. Wash your hands before and after meals. Wash your fruits and vegetables which you buy from market. Take 3 meals a day. Healthy breakfast, balanced lunch, light dinner. Drink a lot of clean, pure, filtered or boiled water. Eat fresh and clean food. Have a lot of fruits and vegetables. We should chew our food properly. Say no to junk food. Never stuff your mouth. Take small bites. Never talk while eating. Never reach across the table to get something. Ask for help. Place the napkin on your lap. Sit up straight. Keep elbows off the table while eating. Always be thankful to God for the food you eat. I am sure you all follow these healthy habits. So, here are the tasks for you all. Help your parents cook healthy meal for your family. 2. Have at least one meal of the day with your family. If possible, sit down and eat together with your family. Take a picture and send it to your teacher. Number 3. You can make a healthy snack like fruit salad, vegetable salad, sandwich or any fresh juice and send a picture to your teacher. Bye Slaters!